Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain the algorithm for the ATM program and show the demo for the program. This is the group members for group 6, Muhammad Arif Hadi bin Ma'ali, Suhaira binti Muhammad Tarmizi and Muhammad Arifan bin Ismail. Okay, first I will explain the flowchart for the access program. To start the program, we need to make the decision whether we want to access the ATM or not. If no, the program will end. If yes, the program will continue to the next import operation, that is insert the card. Next, the ATM will make the decision whether our card is valid or not. If our card is not valid, then the program will end. If our card is valid, then the program will continue to another import operation, that is insert pin code. Now the ATM will verify whether our inserted pin is correct or not. If our inserted pin is wrong, then the program will end. If our inserted pin is right, then the program will continue to the last import operation, that is swallow the card. Now the access to the ATM is granted. This is the video demo for the access program. First, we open the Xiaomi system and we find the file for Let 3 for the ATM program. Okay, now that the ATM program has appeared, how about we try to put the wrong card first? We can see that our access is denied. Then we try again to put the other card. Again, we can see that our access is denied. Okay, so now we put the right card by typing 1. Okay, now we can see that the program are carried to the next operation, that is pin. How about we put the wrong pin first? We can see that because our pin is wrong, our access is denied. Okay, now we put the correct pin. Because our pin is correct, our access to the ATM is granted. We can see that the ATM works just like what we have programmed it to be. That is by rejecting any wrong input and accepting the correct input. Next, I will explain the pseudocode for the balance inquiry program. First, to implement read balance from user account, we type float read balance, open parenthesis, integer account ID, close parenthesis, open bracket, printf you choose to see your balance, and printf your available balance is, and get balance, close bracket. Then to implement display user account balance in the table, we type integer display balance, open parenthesis, integer account ID, and float account balance, close parenthesis, open bracket, printf your bank balance is, and get balance, close bracket. This is the video demo for the balance inquiry program. After our access to the ATM are granted, we need to choose what ATM service we want to use. We type 1 for balance inquiry. We can see that this is our money balance in the ATM. Next, I will explain the flowchart for money withdrawal program. To start the program, we need to make the decision whether we want to withdraw money from the ATM or not. If no, then the program will end. If yes, the program will continue to the input operation, that is enter the amount. Enter the amount of money we want to withdraw. Then the ATM will make the decision by checking the balance whether the amount of money we want to withdraw is sufficient or not. If no, the program will end. If yes, the ATM program will go to the next step, that is checking the vault. After that, we need to make the decision whether we want to withdraw the money or not. If no, the program will end. If yes, the ATM will dispense our money and the program will end. This is the video demo for the money withdrawal program. First, we type 2 to choose money withdrawal service on the ATM. Then we type in the amount of money we want to withdraw. We can see I type 50 ringgit and we can see that the amount of 50 ringgit has been dispensed. Next, I will explain the flowchart for money deposit program. First, we open the tray and insert the amount of money we want to deposit. The ATM will process the money by the bills. If we put the 100 ringgit bill, the ATM will print A. If we put the 50 ringgit bill, the ATM will print B. If we put the 20 ringgit bill, the ATM will print C. And if we put the 10 ringgit bill, the ATM will print D. The total amount will be counted and the total deposit will be displayed on the screen. Then we end the program. This is the program demo for money deposit. First, we choose 3 for the deposit money service, and then we input two 10 ringgit bill, 5 20 ringgit bill, and 3 50 ringgit bill, and 2 100 ringgit bill. And we can see that this is the total amount of deposit we insert into the ATM. Now this is the new account balance in the ATM. That is all for the presentation from Group 6. Thank you for watching.